Alright, y'all. Hey. This is Michelle from Michelle's Home. I am home from work. I'm off the weekend, thank you, Lord. I'm about to clean my living room up and my kitchen. My gazebo came. It's in this box. It is a 10 by 10, I think. I got 10 by 10. Listen. It is going to be so pretty. It is a crown shade, mega shade. Oh, 11 by 11. I'm mistaken. It's 11 by 11. Yeah, I'm putting this in a... Oh, let me put you in the face. To see how nice it looks. I just slid my couch over a little more. The fireplace in the corner. Put my tan color on the couches because the burgundy is dirty. My stand right there. My little beautiful pleated, or what is it called? I can't think of the word. Little footstool. I'm gonna give me another one. I want two, and I want to put them right here. Kitchen is clean. Swept the floor. I'm gonna mop tomorrow. I'm tired. I put my lazy Susan up here. You know. Oh, look at that. That looks even better. That looks even better. Pull it over some, baby, T. That's cool. Right. I'm about to make me some tea. And y'all can hear the tea kettle is going. Let's get cafe style chips, blackberries, strawberries, cherries, unsalted butter for 2 of these salads. Of course, I got a rotisserie chicken, avocados, Roman lettuce, bagels, early bread, variety pack of beans original. One is cilantro lime, one is Spanish rice. I got the Colby Monterey Jack, large pack bacon. Y'all know I love my bacon. Double pack of strawberry, lemonade, sugar sour cream, artichoke dip, a rotisserie chicken, and oven roasted turkey eggs, 2 packs, tenderloins, and 2 bags of wings, some maple brown sugar oatmeal. I got granola, cheese and garlic croutons, and Italian seasoning. These coconut custard with the dark chocolate, fused sunflower seeds, dressing. I also got black pepper, garlic powder, minced garlic, extra vanilla, cheese, mild cheddar, mozzarella, berry applesauce, vanilla pudding, chocolate pudding, boulders, Ziploc freezer bags, sandwich bags, kettle chips, containers for lunch. $20, and it is a, what size is it? 5x7, big enough for me. 5x7, because the gazebo is, I think, 11 by 11. I'm thinking that's what I got. So yeah, we got that. This is so pretty, right? So I got my cookies in there, the naan bread. I got all my veggies down there, and then snacks right here. And let's look at the fridge. Lord, it was so empty. And it's nice and full. My water's up there. Veggies, some fruit, the meats and the cheeses, some snackies. Hey y'all, let me turn this down some. I am off work. Yeah, it is Saturday. It's Michelle from Michelle Home. How y'all doing? I'm tired. Y'all can tell. But I just got off third shift. It was a quiet night. My first day off of orientation, and it went well. I had to sit on a one-on-one for 4 hours. Then I went to another one-on-one and sat, and it was fine. It was quiet. I had an okay night. It was fine. Hey y'all, I'm back home. I'm in the house now. I made me a bagel. It has an egg, cheese, bacon, and grape jelly. Alright y'all, I got a package. I'm hoping it's what I wanted. I think that's what I ordered. Let's open it before I go outside and do some yard work. Ooh, it's here! Look y'all! It's here! I ordered it. Look. The Centella and Pole foam. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but I ordered the skincare. I ordered it. Oh my god, this is the foaming. Wait. Oh no, this is the cleansing oil. This is the foam. The toner. Oh, I can't wait. This is the daily skincare. This is the Soothing Cream. And this is the Quick Calming Pads. Alright, y'all, I had to come back because they sent me the little topper for the calming pads to keep it moist, and the little boop, 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 little tweezer.